Next question is, if y is equal to log of under root of 1 minus cos of 3x by 2 upon 1 plus cos of 3x by 2. So find the derivative of this y with respect to x, that is differentiate with respect to x. Left hand side we get dy by dx is equal to, now derivative of log, that is 1 upon, if we differentiate first then it is very long answer. So first we find the formulas for 1 minus cos and 1 plus cos, and after that use differentiation. So first is formulas. If we know that 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2 and 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So this is formula of 1 minus cos and 1 plus cos. Use 1 minus cos is equal to in numerator and 1 plus cos is equal to in denominator, means y is equal to log of under root of 1 minus cos means here 2 sin square theta by 2, here theta is equal to 3x by 2, means 3x by 2 upon 2, and denominator 1 plus cos means 2 cos square, here theta is equal to 3x by 2, again 2 cos square theta by 2, means 3x by 2, this is theta, divided by 2. Okay, next log of 2 get cancelled, sin square upon cos square, that is tan square. This angle is same, so write here at a time 3x by 2 into 2, that is 4. Tan square 3x by 4. Log of square and square root get cancelled, means tan of 3x by 4. So this is value of y. Now differentiate with respect to, this is now composite, simple composite function. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of y is equal to dy by dx. Derivative of log, that is 1 upon whatever may be the given function, here tan of 3x by 4, into find dy by dx of tan of 3x by 4. No need to write this, you can find direct derivative. Dy by dx is equal to 1 upon tan, so write same 1 upon tan 3x by 4. Now derivative of tan, that is sec square of angle 3x by 4. Now this derivative sec square is because of tan, again x replaced by 3x by 4 means this is composite function. So find derivative of 3x by 4, that is 3 by 4. Now 1 upon tan means right here 1 upon tan replaced by sine upon cos. So sine of 3x by 4 upon cos of 3x by 4 into sec square means 1 upon cos square 3x by 4 into 3 by 4 as it is. So 1 cos get cancelled, so 1 into 3, that is 3 upon this 4 means 2 into 2 sine of 3x by 4, and here remain cos of 3x by 4. So 3 by 2, here the formula is 2 sin theta cos theta, means sin 2 times theta. Double angle formula of sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So sin of twice theta means 2 into 3x by 4. Then 2 2s are 4 here. So 3 by 2 sin of 3x by 2. Means this is 3 by 2, 1 upon sin means cosec 3x by 2. This is the final answer. So derivative of log of under root of 1 minus cos 3x by 2 upon 1 plus cos 3x by 2 is equal to how many here? 3 by 2 cosec of 3x by 2. So this is complete this problem.